You want a half a cup of butter, that's 1 stick, 3 ounces of cream cheese. You'll want to mix those 2 ingredients together. Mix until they're nice and smooth. Make sure you scrape the side of the bowl so that everything gets evenly mixed. Once it's whipped nicely, you'll want to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Again, scrape the bowl so that everything is mixed evenly. Next, you'll add in 4 cups of powdered sugar. You'll add that in slowly, a little bit at a time, to make sure you don't have the powdered sugar fly all over the counter or the walls. Now that you have that all mixed together, you'll want to add in your tincture. My tincture is a mixture of live rosin and glycerin, and I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon for a 1/2 batch of cream cheese mixture. I split this batch up so that 1/2 of it would be medicated and 1/2 of it would be just regular cream cheese, buttercream. So now you have your medicated buttercream mixture. The next step will be rolling them into balls. You can put them in put the mixture into the freezer or refrigerator for a little bit to harden it up if you'd like. I found that it was just fine to make balls at this point. I try to make them as evenly as possible, but it's for personal use, so I'm not too picky. And once you're all finished rolling your balls, you would want to put this in your refrigerator for about 24 hours, just to make sure everything solidifies. The next step is your chocolate. You can make your chocolate however you want. I use coating chips, candy coating chips, and I put a toothpick inside each one of the little balls that I made and just dip it in the chocolate, cover it. There's many ways to cover your balls. One of the things I like to do before the candy coating hardens is take out the toothpicks, and that way they don't get stuck and make cracks. Next thing I'll do is put a little chocolate on the tip of a toothpick and cover the hole. And of course, take pictures while videotaping. No more hole. If you don't want your balls sitting in a big puddle of chocolate like the first few I made, you can scrape the bottom of them off a little bit more with your spatula. Cover the holes. Makes it look prettier. I have almost all of my balls covered up in chocolate now. You can almost see some of the first ones starting to harden. I do love the candy coating chips from the grocery store. But you can also make your own candy coating. The next step here is a little bit of powdered sugar on top with my little IKEA container. Sprinkle it on and very lightly. You always want to powder your balls so they don't stick together. Right after that, I take my microplaner out and I put a little bit of chocolate shavings on top. Just for aesthetics. There we go. Medicated buttercreams.